Now, the other information that you have given to the country as to why you delayed telling the country that was that you did not want to create panic. And you wanted to bring the matter under control before you released it to the public, to your cabinet colleagues, and to your boss. But by your own statement, Minister, you said you heard when the matter was under control. You indicated here today that you were briefed at the end of August. By the end of August, we had reduced from 7, as you indicated here, to 2. Now, would you not think that at the end of August, the case number had been reduced to 2 from 7, that the matter was under control?
I should mention that perhaps part of that briefing delay was the fact that in August I had taken time off. I had traveled on official business for a period of time, and I had taken 10 days off for personal reasons, rest and relaxation.
Don't you think that when you are aware, as you have claimed, and decided to keep the information to yourself, you robbed the pregnant mothers of the choice to go and deliver elsewhere in other hospitals in the hope that they could have a living baby? A living baby to take home with them after they have birthed that child.